96 days until A-level maths paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Differentiate with respect to x, ln of x squared plus 1 over 3x plus 2. Since our expression is a fraction, we can use quotient rule. Let's start by saying that our function f of x is equal to our numerator u divided by our denominator v, where in this case u is equal to ln of x squared plus 1 and v is equal to 3x plus 2. When we differentiate using quotient rule, the gradient function of f of x will be equal to u dash v minus u v dash over v squared, where the dash just symbolises the gradient function of that term. Since u is equal to ln x squared plus 1, let's find what u dash would be, or in other words, again, the gradient function of u. When we differentiate a log, we differentiate the function within the log, so x squared plus 1 would differentiate to 2x. This would then be in our numerator, and the original function within the log goes on the denominator. Then when we differentiate v, 3x plus 2 will just differentiate to 3. Now we can substitute these values into this equation. In place of u dash, we have 2x over x squared plus 1, multiplied by v, which is 3x plus 2. Subtract. In place of u, we have ln x squared plus 1, multiplied by v dash, which is 3. And this is all over v squared, where v is 3x plus 2. Simplifying each of these terms, this expression is multiplied by 3x plus 2. So for this numerator, we'll have 2x times 3x plus 2 over x squared plus 1, minus, because this expression is all multiplied by 3, this will be 3 ln of x squared plus 1, all divided by 3x plus 2 squared. To simplify this entire numerator, we'll need to make both of these terms over x squared plus 1. To do this, we'll need to multiply this term's numerator and denominator by x squared plus 1. This will give us 3 times x squared plus 1 times ln of x squared plus 1 all over x squared plus 1. Now that both of these terms have the same denominator, we can add or take across the top. So on top we have 2x times 3x plus 2, subtract 3 times x squared plus 1 times ln of x squared plus 1, and we can combine this with our other denominator, giving us x squared plus 1 multiplied by the 3x plus 2 squared. You could, if you wanted to, expand some of those brackets out. For me, I'm going to leave everything factorised, so this will be my final answer.